A building surveyor plays a crucial role in the construction and maintenance of buildings. One such building surveyor, in Kotla Mubarakpur, is SCON Design Delhi. SCON Design Delhi is known for its expertise and experience in providing comprehensive building surveying services in the Kotla Mubarakpur area. With their knowledge of building regulations and codes, they ensure that all buildings are constructed and maintained in compliance with the highest standards of safety and quality. When it comes to building surveying in Kotla Mubarakpur, SCON Design Delhi is a trusted name. Their team of highly skilled and qualified professionals possesses the necessary expertise to carry out detailed inspections and assessments of buildings. They conduct thorough surveys to identify any structural issues, defects, or potential risks that may pose a threat to the integrity of the building. By conducting these surveys, they help clients make informed decisions regarding the purchase, renovation, or maintenance of their properties. One of the key services offered by SCON Design Delhi is building condition surveys. These surveys are conducted to assess the overall condition of a building, including its structure, materials, and systems. Through their meticulous inspections, they identify any signs of deterioration or damage that may require immediate attention. By providing detailed reports and recommendations, SCON Design Delhi enables property owners to prioritize repairs and maintenance activities effectively. SCON Design Delhi also specializes in providing dilapidation surveys. These surveys are typically conducted before and after construction or renovation works are carried out on adjacent properties. By conducting thorough inspections, they document the existing condition of neighboring buildings to protect both parties involved from potential disputes regarding damage claims. Their expertise in this area ensures accurate and reliable documentation, which can be used as evidence in legal proceedings if required. Moreover, SCON Design Delhi offers expert advice on compliance with building regulations and codes. They review architectural plans and specifications to ensure that they meet all safety and regulatory requirements. By providing guidance on fire safety measures, accessibility standards, and energy efficiency, they help clients achieve compliance while ensuring the overall quality and functionality of the building. In conclusion, SCON Design Delhi is a reputable building surveyor in Kotla Mubarakpur. Their expertise in conducting building condition surveys, dilapidation surveys, and providing advice on compliance with building regulations makes them a trusted choice for property owners in the area. With their meticulous approach and commitment to delivering high-quality services, SCON Design Delhi ensures that buildings in Kotla Mubarakpur are safe, structurally sound, and compliant with all relevant standards. A building surveyor plays a crucial role in the construction industry, ensuring that buildings are safe, compliant with regulations, and fit for purpose. In the bustling city of Delhi, specifically in the area of Kotla Mubarakpur, finding a reliable building surveyor is of utmost importance. Kotla Mubarakpur is a vibrant locality with a mix of residential and commercial buildings, and it is essential to have a professional who can assess the structural integrity of these structures. SCON Design is one such company that provides building surveyor services in Kotla Mubarakpur and is known for its expertise and commitment to excellence. When it comes to building surveying in Kotla Mubarakpur, SCON Design stands out as a reputable firm. With years of experience in the industry, they have gained a deep understanding of the local building regulations and requirements. This knowledge